Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about a new delivery app that I really think is changing the game, and I think it's going to be becoming the driver's best friend. And I've just thought of that slogan for you guys, if you guys are watching at Para, delivery driver's best friend. I'll just take like 1% of the company. No, don't even worry about it. Anyway, so today we're talking about this new app called Para. I'm going to pull it out real quick so I can show you guys a little bit of how it works. I've been using it for a couple months now. They just got done with their beta testing and stuff, so the app's fairly new, but they've made a lot of updates and the app is getting better and better and better. So especially nowadays, like, I really think that the app can really help you out. And one of the first features, like, we're gonna talk about all the features, but the first feature that really sticks out to me, that really I'm just like, oh, this one's a game changer. For one is tracking your miles. So if you guys are doing your taxes and it's the end of the year and taxes are about to be due, you know, you're sitting there thinking like, well, damn, how am I supposed to know how many miles I drove? Well, guess what? Para did it for you. So right here, it's going to show you, focus. Anyways, so what that says is 6,107 miles is an estimated about how many miles that I drove last year on Doordash. I know this is an estimated miles thing because they probably can't track all of them, like when you're driving back to a certain area and yada yada. And also that's going to tell you how many tax dollars you're getting back in your pocket, which is for me $537 going back into my wallet. Now, that's one of the coolest things. That's the one that stood out to me the most, but there's other features on here. And for one, if you are doing multiple apps, which I would suggest to everyone, if you're a delivery driver, especially if you're a full-time delivery driver, you should be on multiple apps. And what this app is going to do is it's going to allow you to log into all of your delivery apps. So let's say you're logged into, you have 4 delivery apps. Let's say you got Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub, Doordash. Well, it's going to show you your earnings on all of them. So let's say, so it shows you per day. So yesterday I made $16. I know it's not very much, but $16 on Doordash, 0 on Postmates because Postmates sucks. And I don't do it anymore. And then it can show you also per week. Then it can show you per month. Yes, I know, there's still 0 on Postmates. Which for me is $555 so far this month. And then it can also show you per year, which is $3,249 so far that I've made on Doordash just this year. So, and it's pretty much 0 on Postmates, so let's be honest. So basically what this app is doing is it's going to help you track all of yours. So that way, if you're like, oh, I did 40, I think I did like 40 on Grubhub and maybe I did like 30 on Doordash today, it's just going to keep it all together for you so you know exactly how much you made at the end of the day. And not only that, but it helps you track and set goals. So if you're a full-time delivery driver, you know you got to set that daily goal, and you know you got to know how much did you make every single day. And I've been suggesting that to you guys for years now. Like, hey, if you just break it down per day, you know, like for me, I wanted to make $2,100 per month. So I broke it down and I'm like, oh, as long as I make $70 per day, I'm good. You know, I'm making $2,100 per month, and that's pretty good steady income for me, and I can just reinvest all the money I make for my footwear company back into the company, you know? So if you guys are full-time delivery drivers, which I know a lot of you guys are, I would highly suggest downloading Para, and the link is going to be down below in the description. So, again, like, this app is probably going to be a pretty big game changer, and they're updating and adding more things all the time. And another good feature about this, other than the goal setting, because I think the goal setting is amazing. Like, for me, that would have been really crucial, especially when I was full-time delivery driving, is the chat feature. So now they also have chat groups where you can actually, like, for me, there's the general group. I don't know if this is focusing or not for you guys. There's the there's the general discussion, and then there's the Vegas Delivery Mafia, which is where there's a bunch of delivery driving mafia members from Las Vegas. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's the Las Vegas delivery drivers on there. And basically what that can do is you can coordinate and like talk to other drivers, and maybe let's say, like, for example, one delivery driver goes in to Burger King and he's like, yo guys, just so you know, someone diarrheaed all over the floor in Burger King. You probably don't want to go in there. So then you can be like, oh good, I don't like diarrhea. I'm not gonna go to Burger King on freaking Fort Apache Road, you know? So anyway, so that's just like some of the good features. You guys can also coordinate and talk to each other and maybe just like get to know each other, you know? When everyone comes together, it's always gonna work out better for everyone. If especially like, you know, if you happen to be like a Decline Now member or something like that, this group, this could help you really change. Like you could be like, hey, everyone, decline all these offers for the next 2 hours or something like that. I don't know. I don't really approve of that stuff, but you get what I'm saying. You guys can come together and talk to each other. So group chat, I think, is really, really cool for this app. And I know they're going to be updating more and more things. You know, see, you can set an earnings goal. My goal is 0 right now because I haven't set one. I don't really have goals. I just kind of like do it as it comes and goes. But I know if you guys are full-time delivery drivers, that goal setting could be crucial. So again, the app's called Para, P-A-R-A. The link is down below if you guys want to download it. Feel free to just click on that link. It'll download it straight to your phone. If you guys have Apple, iPhone, or Android, it'll work for either. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like these videos at all, please help another delivery driver out and smash that like button. Help me get through YouTube's complicated algorithm that I have no idea if anyone knows how it works. But I know if you smash the like button, it's going to help me out a lot. And also subscribe to the channel for more driver content, business, money tips, all kinds of good stuff, you know? So thank you guys for watching. Also, one last thing, offaxisacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. We have a special deal going for the next week. If you're watching this before May 1st, 2021, use the discount code Tanner's YouTube. That'll get you 65% off. That'll get you the newest shoes that we have, the Off-Axis Ninjas, for just $40-ish. You know, so these are the shoes. We have a few different models out, but the original model, the Off-Axis ones, are only $30 because they're like a couple of years old. And then you can also get the Off-Axis Signature Tony Ferguson shoes. I think they'll be around like $45. Use the discount code Tanner's YouTube. And if you're watching this video past May 1st, 2021, and you're like, damn, I wish I would have known and I would have already been subscribed to Tanner's YouTube channel. Not only can you just subscribe, but you can also still use the discount code Off-Axis Tanner because that'll always get you 30% off. Now, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.